everybody, welcome to my channel, to Jeannette, Lynn. Hi. I need to start doing something different, with this intro. But hi. And y'all can tell I'm in a different location. Looks a little bit better, don't it? Only just for now. Right now we're over at my parents' house and just for the weekend. And I just feel like want to do a look. Today I wasn't really exactly what kind of eye look I wanted to go for. But I want to do something fall-ish, fall is still here and winter is like right around the corner. I'm going to try to be doing videos whenever I can on this channel. I know I've been wanting to do makeup videos like so bad on this channel, and I know I said that like so many times every time I come on here, and I wanted to do, a makeup video for y'all. And I know y'all have been so patient with me and understand, or some of y'all understand why I haven't been making much videos or much content on my videos, why I've not been uploading constantly, and so forth. And, but yeah, just wanted, show y'all what I actually do, like, when I'm getting ready, I listen to music. And, if you do that, let me know in the comments. I always like listen to music. Kind of gets me like in the mood, like, and then it kind of like puts my mind like, okay, what type of eye look I want to do? What draws me? Like what kind of eye look I want to do for today? What gets me like inspired or whatever, and yeah. So I don't want to make this video too long, but yeah, that's the reason why I wanted to come on here and make this video for y'all. And if you'd like to see how I create this look, then you might want to keep on watching. But yeah, I'm about to go enjoy the rest of my day, and I hope I get to see y'all in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and if you find it, I don't know, entertaining and or not, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. But like I said, I'm gonna try to post up a video whenever I can. So whenever I feel like, every time, maybe if I come over here and do a video, and that way it looks like I'm trying to put up a video and not. So, okay. I'm going to go ahead and go now, because I'm on my bed is waiting for me. So, I'll see y'all in the next video. I'll see you guys later. Oh, God. Alright, bye. Alright, so I'm putting on Mineral Infused Primer by e.l.f. And after that, I'm going to go with Maybelline Hydrate and Smooth Primer. And I usually put that on my forehead, because that's normally where I tend to sweat a lot. And I'm going to put that on it like the rest of my face, because sometimes it could be humid outside. Okay, now I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in light. And I'm just going ahead apply my eyes as my base primer, whatever. And then I am going with this Poof by Jaclyn Hill's Dark Magic Palette by the Vault Collection. And I'm going to use tape and apply some tape beside my eyes, so I have a nice clean cut when and I'm going to put on my earphones too, so I'm going to be listening to some music, but you're going to see here like pretty soon I'm going to do my makeup, and after that I just like totally like forget to play music. But I'm using Brow This Way by Rimmel London, and I'm just going to shape my brows real quickly, because we already know how to do that. I'm going to go with my Jeannette Hill palette, and I'm going to go with silk cream in the crease, and just mostly blend outwards and going inwards, windshield wiper motions. I can't talk today, oh my goodness. Let's see, what other color? I'm going to go with Ring the Alarm, and I started going with Access. And I kind of like do like the same thing, just mostly working it out the outer crease, and also doing windshield wiper motions as well. And I keep on doing this till I get the pigment that I want. Okay, so the next color I'm going to be going with, I'm using my crease brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to use Alert on the outside and bring it like inward towards the inner part, just to give it a little bit more depth. At first I wasn't really sure like what kind of eye look I was going to go for, but it seemed like it came out like a, I'm trying to think, like a halo, almost like a dark cranberry eye look. So, and also using this other brush that I get from eBay. It was only almost like $3 almost, but and I'm just, doing the same thing. Now I'm going with this base by NYX, and I'm going to place that on my eyelids so that way the eyeshadows I'm going to lay down, probably from the Jeannette Hill palette, is Hunts. And what else do I use? Can't think. Chip? No, not Chip. Can't remember. It's like the brown color that I'm applying like right now. Then after that I go to Hunts. And I'm just, try to use a light patting motion. And I go back to, then I start picking up Hunts, and I do like the same thing. And I do in the inner corner. I was like, oh, I'm just going to do a halo. But I don't cut out any creases, doing a halo effect. Okay. So I'm using Hunts for the outer crease and inner crease. And then I'm going to go back to Silk Cream and put it above Hunts, just to make sure there ain't no harsh lines. And plus you could be noticing how it gets lighter, and you'll see like how it looks different when it's the quality, like the room gets lighter, and then I had to adjust the lighting on the camera. So I'm just going back and forth with Silk Cream, just make sure I ain't no harsh lines. Then I go back to using that dark brown shade. Still haven't figured out what that damn brown shade is called. But yeah, just still like try and make a halo effect doing that without even cutting out no, halo crease effect. Okay, now I go to the Extreme Intense ink, black ink by e.l.f. This is something I usually grab towards, and I'm just trying to make a really like slight wing. I don't want it too dramatic with this eye look, and so I'm just making a really, simple, easy wing. And then I'm going to use my Revlon eyeliner in black. Okay, now I'm using my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara in Black is Black. And then I'm going to be going towards using these natural eyelashes by Ardell. And of course I'm singing. And that's just nice, be singing while I'm listening. And you can't hear a word or a song I'm singing. I had to like go and see what song I'm actually singing in that part of the video. But yeah, what am I doing here? Oh, I'm putting on foundation. The Rimmel Lasting Finish by, I think it's Soft Beige, which I'm actually currently using now, and I'm like almost out of the bottle. So I'm trying to use it up. But I am going to have to get me a lighter shade pretty soon. And then I'm going to go with Pro Glow by L'Oreal Classic Ivory, even though it's really not the lightest shade in the concealer selection. Then I use heart-shaped tape to go over. And I'm getting low on heart-shaped tape as well. So, yeah. And this is the Wet n Wild Duo Contour and Highlighting Stick in medium to tan, which I probably need to go back to the other one. I can't remember what it's called. And I'm putting on, I think it's Hunt on my lower bottom. Then I put on that brown, that damn brown shade. Has a tight line. Then I use Enlighten or Beam for my brow bone, and I go back using mascara. I'm just like all over the place. And then I set my face with the Prime and Stay finishing powder by e.l.f. This stuff is amazing. Oh my god. It's like, yes, honey. And of course I go with the Queen's Land by Wet n Wild. This is like their new bronzer that just came out. Like not too long ago, I guess. Maybe like a couple months ago. And I'm going to use my BH Cosmetic, and I'm going to use two different blushes. This kind of like neutral pink shade and this red. And let me tell you, I didn't know how much. And this when I actually forgot my mirror, so. And this is what it looks like. I actually put too much blush on. And I'm going to use these eyeshadows as a highlighter. Let me tell you, they go on like butter on my face, let me tell you. And on my nose, of course. And that's it. And of course, I'm using, I think it's Driver or Ruler. I can't remember. From the Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline. And there you go. Here's the final look.
Because it looks like you would get product all in this bottle, except they have this little plastic thing in the bottom and it's pushed up about halfway through. So you're really only getting half of what it looks like, which is a little bit disappointing, but I found out.
Hey babies, what you doing? You want some water? You're just thirsty for some water, aren't you? Hey Lucy Lou. Hi babies. I'm just congested. Okay. You. Jesus, babes. Have some manners. I hope I don't get no distractions. Maybe I do like another like fall look. Like a day fall look or something. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do. Something like not too crazy looking. Yes. Oh. Okay. I'm going to have to switch palettes. I gotta find the... Where'd you go? The film. Mom came in here and she's distracted me. This one, but I need to find the film. Where'd you go?
Hey.